in like 204. Let's start with our closet. Here we have a huge closet where we hang our coats, a safe, some extra blankets if you get really cold from the AC, and then ZBC. We come over here, we have some nice vases, real flowers, a cute oval mirror, and some complimentary water and tangerines, coffee, tea. No smoking in this room, penalty $100. Don't do it. We have a little note from the CEO because we're VIP.
Where's the CEO?
Right here. Haolan Zhang, CEO. Handwritten.
Handwritten.
Just kidding. We have a TV again that we won't use, a kettle, and then I believe this is the mini fridge. Yep, we have the mini fridge, which is not free, so we won't be touching that. Oh, this is like a vanity where I'll do my makeup. And then if you pan over here, a king size bed. This is 1.5 Cindy. You look over here, this lovely painting of Halong Bay and a cute little lamp. And then we have a second lamp over here and a vintage telephone where you can call guest service. It's not the rolling one, the dial rolling one.
Oh,
It's just the buttons.
okay.
And then you back up, and come this way into our bathroom.
Wow.
Giant tub. Nice little bath. A beautiful vanity for sink, lamps, mirror, a toilet. And yes, it comes with a shower. Yes, very convenient. A giant shower. It can fit 6 Cindy's in here. And then we have our bathrobes and nice shelving with towels and hair dryer. And then
Wait. Can I show the tub?
if you want to see how deep the tub is, it's about yay high. And then if I sit down, you can't even see me. So let's come to the best part of our room tour.
What? There's more?
Ready? Come over here.
Where?
Oh.
Wow.
Come on now. This is where we'll be lounging with chairs and table. This is where we'll have our coffee and just hang out.
Wait, I'm gonna show the view.
of you. And then you're wondering why I'm in this getup. Tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. we'll be doing some Tai Chi.
Oh yeah.
Like and subscribe. Get down.